Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5. Starting at number 5. USB-C Hub, QGeeM. Video and audio output, mirror or extend your screen with the HDMI port to HD TV, monitor or projector for video and audio transfer. Support 3840 by 2164K at 30 Hz, 1920 by 1200, 1920 by 1080, 1280 by 1024 and lower resolutions at 60 Hz. Ultra-high speed, SD and TF cards can be read simultaneously. Features SD/TF dual USB 3.0 card readers with data transfer speed up to UHSI, which is much faster than most card readers in the market. Since the new MacBook current output is around 1.0A, the computer will start self-protection when the load exceeds 1A. It will prompt, USB power consumption is large, disabled, the converter is unplugged, reinsert. First insert PD power supply. Coming at number 4. USB-C Hub Multiport. Mirror or extend your screen with the HDMI port to HD TV, monitor or projector. Support 4K at 30 Hz. Type-C hub adapter perfect to stream a full HD movie on your TV or share your screen on conferences for presentations. USB-C expansion hub expands a single USB-C port to 9 ports. 5-inch, 27-inch, iPad Pro 2018/2020, Google Chromebook Pixel, Huawei MateBook Pro, Dell, Surface Book 2, HP, Lenovo, and Samsung S9, and many other Type-C laptops. 9-in-1 USB-C hub is as powerful as a docking station to meet your general needs. 9 ports allow you to connect keyboard, mouse, USB flash driver, USB hard disks, etc. Slim enough to slip into your pocket and just take on the go. Aluminum alloy casing and reinforced TPE cable offer extra durability for everyday use. At number 3. Lasuney Triple Display. Vivid 4K output and multiple display a mirror or extend your display with HDMI ports and DP port. Directly stream high-definition 4K video to televisions, monitors, or projectors for a cinema visual feast. Under extended mode, you can enjoy up to 4 multiple display. For collage mode, our hubs support triple display, 1 HDMI output, 1 HDMI equals DP and 1 laptop screen. But only Windows system support multiple display, Mac does not support. Totally 2 different contents for Mac OS. Stylish design and wide compatibility a Lasuney 10-in-1 USB-C hub is made of thin and sleek precision milled aircraft-grade aluminum enclosure, light enough to take with you anywhere. Space gray reflects your business professionalism. It is an ideal USB-C hub for most Type-C laptops on the market, such as MacBooks, Chromebook Pixel, and laptops from Dell, HP, Lenovo, and so on. Number 2 of my list. UGREEN 6-in-1 USB HDMI port for 4K UHD visual feast. Mirror or extend your screen with UGREEN USB-C to HDMI adapter to directly stream 4K UHD, Full HD 1080p, or 3D video to HD TV, monitor, or projector. You could enjoy movies with your family on a bigger screen, or make a vivid presentation in a meeting. 6-in-1 instant USB-C hub expansion, expand more ports to connect more. UGREEN 6-in-1 USB-C to USB adapter features a 4K HDMI output port, SD and TF card readers, and 3 USB 3.0 ports. 6-in-1 instant USB-C hub expansion, expand more ports to connect more. UGREEN 6-in-1 USB-C to USB adapter features a 4K HDMI output port, SD and TF card readers, and 3 USB 3.0 ports. All hub ports can work simultaneously, no need for a drive, just plug and play. And number 1. USB to HDMI adapter. mirror or extend your screen with Xiutech USB adapter HDMI port and directly stream 2K, 1080p to HD TV, monitor or projector. Cooperate with DAC audio output equipment. You could enjoy movies with your family on bigger screen, or making a vivid presenting in a meeting. Expand more ports to connect for more. This device comes with its own driver, just need to connect to the computer. It can generate a drive letter in My Computer, in which you can find the driver that the device needs, just double-click to install it, and the preparation is complete. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.